Section 2 is going to look at certain types of angles. We're going to say central angles, and we're going to look at arcs. Most of the time we're going to be spent dealing with arcs, but in order to get to arcs, we need to understand central angles and the relationship to their arcs. So we're going to identify central angles, major arcs, minor arcs, and semicircles, and finding their measures, along with finding arc lengths. So there's going to be a difference between measure and length. For the most part, we're going to deal with measures, and I'll explain the difference once we get into the idea of finding arc length later on. Okay, so a central angle, it sounds just like what it means. It's an angle with its vertex point at the center of the circle. So this angle in here, A, B, C, that would be considered a central angle. And if I take all my central angles, in this case down here at the bottom, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, it should equal 360 degrees. Okay, so doing a couple examples in here. If I wanted to find the measure of each angle, for this one I would just take 360 and I would subtract off my two central angles, 165 and 145, and that will get me a measure of 50 degrees. Same thing for 1B, we know that this is 90. You take 360, subtract off 90, 85, and 40 this time, you're going to get a central angle of 145 degrees. And that's all there is to it to find the measure of central angles.